So, time to have a look here at our factors and multiples and see what's going on behind the scenes. So, what is a factor? Well, the first thing to understand about a factor is one number that divides into another number evenly. That is, there is no remainder. So, for example, if you had the number 10 and you divided it by 5, it divides in 2 times and there's a remainder 0. So if you had 10 sweets and you wanted to divide them between 5 people, they would each get 2 sweets and you wouldn't have to go splitting up any sweets and so on and so forth. So here's some questions, and we want to find the factors of all of these. So we have some already done. We have the number 1 just has one factor, which is 1. And the number 4 has the factors 1 divides into 4, 2 divides into 4, and 4 divides into 4, all evenly. So 1 divides in 4 times, remainder 0, 2 divides in twice, remainder 0, and 4 divides in once, remainder 0. And to know, again, all of this stuff, you've got to be up to date with your times tables and that. So say, for example, the number 2 there, as you can see, there's only a 2 here and a 2 here, so 2 goes into 2 once, 1 goes into 2 twice, and similarly here, 1 goes into 2 twice, 2 goes into 2 once. So you need to know that inside down and upside down, and as a result of that, the number 2 has 2 factors, 1 and 2. The number 3 has 2 factors, 1 and 3. The number 5 is 2 factors, 1 and 5. These are the only numbers that will divide into 5. The numbers that will divide into 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. So 1 will go in 8 times, remainder 0. 2 will go in 4 times, remainder 0. 4 will divide in twice, remainder 0. And 8 will go in once, remainder 0. 10 has the factors 1, 2, 5, and 10. 12 has the factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And 1 goes in 12 times, 12 goes in once, 2 goes in 6 times, 6 goes in twice, 3 goes in 4 times, 4 goes in 3 times. 16 has the factors 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. 17 has only 2 factors, 1 and 17. And now we're starting to get up into bigger numbers here. So the number 20 has the factors 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. 1 goes in 20 times, 20 goes in once, 2 goes in 10 times, 10 goes in twice, 4 goes in 5 times, 5 goes in 4 times. You never repeat a factor, but they are factor pairs I'm kind of listing there. 23 is a prime number, has 2 factors only, the number 1 and the number itself. 24 has the factors, here's a pretty long one, 1 goes in 24 times, 24 goes in once, 2 goes in 12 times, 12 goes in twice, 3 goes in 8 times, 8 goes in 3 times, and 4 goes in 6 times, 6 goes in 4 times. So there are the factors of 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. 28 has these factors here. 30 has these factors. 1 goes in 30 times, 2 goes in 15 times, 3 goes in 10 times, 5 goes in 6 times, and in reverse, 30 goes in once, 15 goes in twice, 10 goes in 3 times, and 6 goes in 5 times. 36 has the following numbers here, and you can see here, keep matching up the pairs. 1 goes in 36 times, 36 goes in once, 2 goes in 18, 18 goes in twice, 3 goes in 12 times, 12 goes in 3 times, 4 goes in 9 times, 9 goes in 4 times, and 6 goes in 6 times. So this goes in itself number of times. It references itself, if you like. 42, another nice long one there, has all of those factors. Again, all to do with your times tables, knowing that 6 by 7 is 42, and 7 by 6 42, 3 by 14 is 42, 14 by 3, 2 by 21, and you can now see, again, we'll see some observations in a while. 48, I think this is pretty much the longest one you're going to come across in terms of factors. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 factors in 48. 48 goes in once, 1 goes in 48 times, 2 goes in 24 times, 24 goes in twice, 3 goes in 16 times, 16 goes in 4 times, 6 goes in 8 times, and 8 goes in 6 times. So I think, sorry, did I make a mistake there? 4 goes in 12 times, 12 goes in 4 times. 64, another long one, not as long as 48, and 100 there, again, quite a long one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 factors, not as long as the 48 one. So you can see you've got some ones there that are very long, but that's enough about factors there. We're just going to have a quick look at observations in the next video.